What's going on, everyone? This is Crypto Suf here again. Today is April the 8th, and we have Ethereum over USD on a 2-hour chart. Let's actually go, we're going to go into the lower time frames for now, just to show you guys what we're looking at. That target remains around $200, and I think we have one more push up, but as you can see, we ran up about 20% already in about one day, about 24 hours, maybe even a little less, 20% up, and now it's just normal for us to take a break, take a breather, whatever you want to call it. But this is some type of consolidation pattern. You'll notice that in consolidation patterns, we tend to go sideways and then we eat up a lot of people's money and we stop out a lot of people. And I mean, I'll be honest with me, yesterday I got stopped out. I didn't get stopped out, but I closed my long from the bottom. I was looking to hold it for a while, all the way up to 200, but instead I closed it in here and thought maybe if I can spot something, then I'll long on the breakout and grab that next one. But I was worried that this would start falling down. That was a mistake by me, and I wanted to stick to my trading rules, and I did not in that case. And that's just something that I need to learn. And yeah, so I started to try to scalp, and I missed a huge trade. I was just all over the place yesterday, and that tends to happen when you don't stick to your rules. So make sure you stick to your rules, guys. Other than that, let's get back into this right here. As you can see, I have it pointed out as an ABCDE triangle. So this is a symmetrical triangle, and it consists of lower highs and higher lows. So the A makes the low, the B makes the high, the C is a higher low from this, and the E is a higher low from C. So you're constantly making higher lows, and you're constantly making lower highs. So A, B, C, D, E, and each wave, if you zoom in, you should be able to count 3 waves on each move. So we're counting this as A, B, C. That's the 3 waves. Those 3 waves are counted as ABCs. That creates A. Then A, B, C. That creates B. Now we have A done. I believe we're working on B right here. And you could take a scalp if you wanted to short, but I wouldn't necessarily right here. In fact, I think I am short already on Ripple, but it's a very small trade. I'm not really looking to do much over here, but it's a possibility that you can grab about 4% shorting this, and that would be the C wave. Then we should have an ABC up for D wave and another ABC down for E wave. And so at E wave, we're going to look to try to grab an entry there with a stop loss at the last low, which should be the other C. That'll give us about 1.5, almost 2% stop loss. And since we're targeting 200, that would be about 20% profit. Yeah, about 20% profit. And if we can't catch that one, the next best option is, when you're playing these triangles, is to enter at the break of the high of D. And you have to be experienced in this, because you don't just enter on the break of the high of D once D starts to dip. After you hit D, once you break down like this, you don't just enter right there, because that could still be part of D, and then we end up going down more. And when you go back here, you zoom out, you open that triangle up, and maybe it was still all part of a triangle still. So you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you hit E already. So you want to make sure that the price action has bounced from D, and then it has gone down to E, the E wave. And the E wave, you can clearly see a 3-wave move like this. And then once it hits E, and if you did not get in already, then you can enter on the break of D, break of the high of D. Lastly, the only other option there would be on a retest. So let's say you didn't enter here and you didn't enter on the break, and it runs up, then it may come down and form some type of wedge. You can always jump in that wedge pattern and ride it up. So that's the goal, guys, for now. If this play happens, if it continues forming like that, I'll definitely look to enter on E. And if not on E, then I may look to enter, as you can see, on the break of that high on D. And that should give about 15% with a 5% stop loss, which is not bad at all. And one of those 2 trades are what I'm looking for. This is a possible short that you could take, but I'm focused on these 2. And from that point, I believe we would be done. So as you can see here, I have it mapped out in this parallel channel here. That's how you take the measurement for any ascending triangle. You can either grab the line here or take this line and put it at the top. In that case, it comes out to right here, and it looks like we could bounce there, and that would be the minimum target. And I've pointed this out in a couple other videos, the reason why I'm targeting about 200. So anyways, that's it, guys. And hopefully this video has helped. And if it has, make sure you comment below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. And also check out the description for the links to the Telegram group chat and all the other links for anything else you guys need. So other than that, I'm all set. Peace out, guys.